Hello, Connor, my new friend. I've come to work out with you again, because the pretzels I've been eating makes me fat when I'm sleeping. Do you know how to make this treadmill go? I'm too damn slow. Working out with Connor. In restless dreams I want to know. Low life Jim has got to go. Marco Connor is mine, his son. My suspended head come undone, and the vision that I planted in his brain still remains. Working out with Connor.